Okay, so what's the plan? Every 3 weeks, you'll be given one word that you must use as your point of focus and creative inspiration. We're calling it the Creative Challenge, which is to take that word that you get, look into your mom world, and show us your mom story based off that one word. We want one image and 1 to 2 short paragraphs. They can be in creative form, personal, honest story, poetry, stream of consciousness, dialogue. Get as creative as you like. Just keep it in the Instagram-ish length. And if you want to get even more creative, take this word and express it in any other art form of your choice. A short film, a song, a painting, a sculpture, mixed media. Mama, go get creative. Use the moment when your fingers ever so gently wipe your kid's snotty nose for the 100th time that day. Let that feed you into your creativity. Do you love it? Do you suddenly see that moment in a new light? Did you hate it because that is all you did all day long? What did it invoke in you? Use it and let it feed you. To get your wheels turning and to inspire you, we have 12 moms who are taking on the challenge themselves and will be posting their work here every day. Okay, you have 3 weeks to start creating with your sleep-deprived brain, messy house, and whiny toddler. So let's tell the real, raw, cute, hilarious, moving, emotional, dry, dramatic, conflicting, layered mom story. Oh, and tag us and hashtag momstoriechallenge. At the end of the challenge, we will showcase some of your beautiful mom stories. So tomorrow, stay tuned as we reveal your first challenge.